If you've received quotes to do the head gasket on your car and wondered why they varied so greatly, this video should help. Welcome to Mercie J Auto Care, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith. Now, head gaskets, in order for them to seal, it's very important for the engine block and the cylinder head both to be very flat, because they need to pinch this gasket evenly all the way across. And one of the things that shops will do to reduce the expense of the repair is to not have the head machined. Now, we don't have the head machined every time. There's some measurements we do to make sure that we get it all right. But in the case of an engine like this, I don't know how well you'll be able to see it in the video, but this is what we call a full floating cylinder. So we have a lot of space in between the piston and the engine block. Some are more solid and we don't have to machine. But what we found in these cases is if you don't machine the head, there's a good chance that a year, 2 years later, it's going to fail again. And then that's when the savings that you had is not worth it at all. So having a shop that does everything the way it should be done and make sure that it will last you until you no longer need the car makes a big difference on why those prices are important and why they vary so much. So I hope this has helped you understand that a little bit more. Thanks for watching, and until next time, safe travels and blessings to you.